In this video, I'll show you how to create a color-coded drop-down list in Excel. The process is identical on Mac. First, we need to create the drop-down list itself. Start by typing out the list items you want in the drop-down into any empty column. For example, completed, in progress, not done, and blocked. There should be no blank cells between your entries. Once you've got your list, select the cell or range where you want the drop-down to appear. You can select a single cell, a range, or even an entire column. Just click and drag to highlight them. Now click the Data tab at the top, then click the Data Validation button in the Data Tools group. It's the one with the green checkmark and red circle. The Data Validation dialog box will open. In the Settings tab, click the Allow drop-down and select List. You'll see a source field appear below. Click in that source box, then click and drag to select your list items. You'll see a formula appear with dollar signs, something like equals sign, $G, $1, $G, $4. Click OK, and when you click back on your cell, you'll see a little arrow appear. Your drop-down is now working, but we still need to add the colors. Select the cell or range that contains your drop-down list. Click the Home tab, then click Conditional Formatting in the Styles group. Click New Rule from the menu that appears. In the New Formatting Rule dialog, click Format Only Cells That Contain. The bottom section will change. Leave the first drop-down as cell value, set the second drop-down to equal to, then type the first item from your list, for example completed. Type it exactly as it appears in your drop-down. Click the Format button. The Format Cells dialog opens. Click the Fill tab and choose your color. Green works well for completed. Click OK to close that dialog, then click OK again to close the New Formatting Rule dialog. If your cell contains that value, it'll now show the color you picked. You need to repeat this process for each item in your list. Go back to Conditional Formatting, click New Rule, and set up another rule for your next item like In Progress, but choose a different color. Do this for all your list items. Once you're done, test it by clicking the drop-down arrow and selecting different values. The cell should change color automatically. To quickly apply this to other cells, select your formatted cell, copy it with Ctrl+C, select your target cells, and paste. This copies both the drop-down and all the color rules at once. If you need to edit your rules later, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules, to see and adjust all of them in one place. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe.